Hello, welcome back to the Berdu.id channel. This video is the third part of our affiliate marketing tutorial series. In previous videos, we discussed creating affiliate links. Now, we'll cover creating an affiliate program using discount coupons. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the Berdu channel, click the like button below, and activate the notification bell. Firstly, from your Berdu website dashboard, navigate to Apps and find the Affiliate Program app. We've activated this previously, as explained in the first video. Keep this tab open. Now, open a new tab and navigate to Discounts from your website dashboard. Create a new discount. Provide a discount name and select the discount type. For example, let's set a fixed discount of $10. Next, look at the coupon code section. Check the Use Coupon Code option and also check Affiliate. Create your coupon code. For example, MAYDAY. This is just an example. You can use any word for your coupon code. Then, you can set the coupon validity period if needed. Click Save. This coupon code isn't affiliated yet. If you want to create an affiliate coupon code, here's how to do it. First, copy this coupon code and paste it here for simulation purposes. Then, navigate to the Affiliate tab. Notice the coupon code separator here, currently set as a -. You can change this separator to any character you prefer. After saving your preference, copy the coupon code separator and paste it into the coupon code simulator here. Or, you can simply type it manually. Next, enter the affiliate code associated with your affiliate, obtained from your customer data. In full screen mode, this affiliate code appears on the right side. Otherwise, it might be below. For example, we'll choose an affiliate named Sarah. Copy and paste or manually type Sarah's affiliate code. The final affiliate coupon code will look like this. Please note, ensure the coupon code separator you choose isn't a character present in either the affiliate code or the coupon code itself. For example, if your separator is an equal sign, make sure the affiliate code doesn't contain the equals character, as it will cause an error. Let's quickly test the coupon code without the affiliate code on the checkout page. The coupon won't be found since we previously checked the affiliate option in the discount settings. Now, let's input the coupon code with the affiliate code attached. And now the discount is successfully applied. Once the buyer completes payment, we can immediately check the order details on the Orders page. Locate the recent order, and you'll see details specifying that the order used an affiliate coupon code and identifies the affiliate. That's all for the third part of our affiliate marketing tutorial series. In our next video, we'll discuss commission payouts and how affiliates can track their performance. Like this video, leave your comments below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel for more tutorials. Don't forget to follow our social media accounts for more exciting content. See you in the next video.